Hi guys, welcome to Soft Asia Tech. This is another video in the series of videos that I am doing on Divi theme. In this video, I will show you how you can add a text badge in your WordPress page or blog to highlight your products using Divi and Supreme module for Divi add-on plugin. You can see I have added a popular badge here. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now, first of all, you have to add a new plugin. For this, hover over plugins and click on add new. In search bar, search Supreme Module Lite. As you can see, the Supreme Module Lite Divi theme built by Supreme Modules. It has 100,000 plus active installations. Click on install now. After installing, click on activate. Now click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Now go to posts or pages. So I will click on pages. Now select page and then click on edit with Divi. Now the page builder was enabled. Scroll down where you want to add a badge. I want to add here, so I will click on this module. Here you can see a gray plus button. Click on this button. Now the modules appear. Scroll down. Here you can see the highlighted modules that are comes with the plugin that we have added now. Here you can see Supreme text badges. Select this one. Now here is the main text. You can leave it as default. Just type a space to clear them. Now here is the badge text. I will make it type here popular. Now go to design and go to badge text settings. Here you can change the badge text color and background color. I will make it blue or this one. Now here scroll down. Here you can change the text color. Over it you can change the gaps. I will leave it to the 10. You can change the font weight and font style. I will make it uppercase. You can add underline, strike through or italic. I will make it italic also. Here is the badge letter spacing, but I will leave them. Just click on this tick button. Now take this module over this one. So click on this arrows and drag to the top of this module. Now you can see it appears like that. Now update the page. Now to take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Now here you can see you have successfully added a text badge in your page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Thanks for watching.